Good morning, friends. I'm Professor Shivayogi Patil here again, coming with a new video. This video has been made for the students of Global College of BBA, BCA, BCom, and MCom. I will start this video with a story which gives you a strong message, a very, very important message I wanted to give you. Already I had given this message in one of your college function, but I thought that it is better to repeat it again so that the message goes to the students. So the story is like this. You might have known Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha, one of the greatest saint as well as greatest motivator, you can say. So Gautama Buddha, he was on his deathbed. So his disciples or the monks were around him, surrounding his deathbed, and they were in a very sad mood because of their guru was in deathbed. So one of the monk came near to Buddha and asked him, Master, what will happen to us when you go away from this earth? So what will happen to us? What will happen to Bauddha Dharma or something like that? So what is your final advice to us so that we can protect the Bauddha Dharma, what you have preached? So the Buddha smiles and utter three sentences. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami, and Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Actually, it should be Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, and Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. So already you have heard these things in many, maybe in your primary school textbooks also. These things may be there in Buddha's life story, and all these three lines you might already know. But I think many of you don't know the meaning of these lines. That is, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, and Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. So it has a very profound meaning, especially for students, because Buddha has preached it for his disciples. So how Dharma can be protected, how you can be successful. So it can be interpreted so that how you can be successful in life also. So if you follow these three lines. So now I am going to explain the three lines. So first line is Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. Actually, the meaning of Buddha is Guru. Actually, before becoming Buddha, he was a what you call it as a son of a prince, son of a king. So you can call it as a prince. So his name was Siddhartha. He became Buddha after got the enlightenment. After got the enlightenment, he became Guru, and people in that Buddhist language so started call him as Buddha. So the enlightened fellow. Actually, the real meaning of Buddha in Sanskrit is enlightened fellow, or a Guru, you can say Guru. So Buddham Sharanam Gacchami means always be connected with your Guru. So Sharanam means here it is not that Sharanagati or something like that. It is be connected with, always be connected with a Guru. So the meaning of this is very profound, because every successful person will have some Guru or some mentor or some coach or someone who has guided him so that he becomes successful. For example, Sachin Tendulkar has Ramananda Acharya as his coach. So PV Sindhu has her own coach. Soni Nehwal has Saina Nehwal has her own coach. So cricket has stars as coaches. Our Neeraj Chopra, the gold winner in recent Tokyo Olympic, he has a local coach also, an international coach also. So you need to have a mentor, you need to have a guru, you need to have a coach to get the success. So therefore, you have to choose a coach who should be your role model, and you have to follow his instructions to get success in the life. So that is the meaning of the. So that part, first line, that is Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. So my dear friends, this is especially for the students. Choose a mentor or choose a guru among your staff or among your anybody who has shared the same vision. So who can help you in getting to you in the road of success or road of your vision, academic vision. So get a guru always. It may be in your staff only, college staff only. Maybe some your senior friends, maybe your guru who has secured very good marks, grades in exams. So my dear friends, guru is very, very important. That is the meaning of the first line. So second line is all about Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. Dhammam means principles. So have some principles in life. So we can call it as values also. We can call it as some moral values also. So some principles should not be there. So our society is today have some principles. Therefore, it is running in a organized way. Otherwise, it would have become a jungle. So our government is following some principles, and everything should follow a principle so that we can call it as a civilized society. So therefore, you as a student also, as a seeker of the success also, you need to follow certain principles. So whoever you choose as a guru, he will tell you all those principles. So like there is something called discipline, like your own values, your own positive beliefs. So then your perceptions. So like should be like this. Then there may be many such things which you have to follow in your life to get the success. Those can be called as the principles. So keep some principles. We can discuss on these principles which are required for the student community in future videos. So Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami. So always follow a principle. Every religion has its own principles, and those religions people will follow those principles. Of course, nowadays those principles have been misinterpreted, and a lot of things are happening. Havoc is created. You're observing, but let us not discuss on those things. So this is the meaning of the second line. Third line is Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Sangham Sharanam Gacchami means be always in a good company. So what is good company? People who share the same vision, especially for students, is very, very important. The people who share the same vision like you, who are performing very well, who are working hard, so that they can guide you. Always be in that company. Don't be in the company who are just came to college just for time passing. Their daily routine is like bunking your classes. So these are the things. These are the students who just come to colleges just for time passing. So don't be in such a company. So their habits will rub into you also. So you may become failure in life. Therefore, always be in a company, because there is a line in Sanskrit. Always be in a company of pandits. So at least you will gain some knowledge, and tomorrow you can become a pandit also. So therefore, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Sharanam means be in the company. It is not that you have to surrender. It's okay. To Guru, you can totally surrender. To principles, you can totally surrender also. So, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami means be in the, so his meaning was be in the company of good people who share your same village, same vision, so that your journey towards the success, your journey towards the academic success becomes smooth one. So these are the three very important lines said by Buddha during his departure to other world. So so they are they can be applied at any time. They can be called as the timeless wisdoms. Timeless wisdoms. So my dear friends, always have a mentor or coach or guru or whatever it may be. You can choose your own mentor, or you can choose even role model also, because role model and study his habits and imbibe his habits, and you can develop like that also. For example, Karna, when Dronacharya refused to teach him the archery, Okay, of course, not exactly Karna, Ekalavya. I was talking about Ekalavya. When Dronacharya refused to teach him, then he made a statue of Dronacharya, and he studied his teachings from a faraway distance. So then habits and all those things, then he practiced it. He practiced it. So there will be a lot of practice. So he become one of the best archer, even better than the Arjun also. So, and that way also you can do. So, so in NLP, there is a term called as modeling excellence. Excellence means you have to choose a role model, and you have to study his habits, daily routines, and you can imbibe those. You can have those as a mental programming in your mind, so that you can follow the same habits and same routines. So that is there in the NLP. So my dear friends, with this the 3 strong messages, I'm concluding this video. So if you like this video, then if you like the content of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends also, so that they can also be benefited. So be strong mentally. That is the first thing. Be healthy and safe, because these are the bad times of pandemic. Be healthy and safe, and be a student means seeker of knowledge. Be always a seeker of knowledge. From wherever the knowledge may come, maybe you have 100 of ways of getting the knowledge, like internet is there, so the books are there, your faculty is there. So knowledge is available everywhere. YouTubes are there. So knowledge is available everywhere. Only thing is you have to open all your senses. You have to keep with your open mind, eyes, especially eyes and ears, and you have to seek that knowledge. So knowledge, you should be a true knowledge seeker, so that you can get success in life. So with this small video, I am going to conclude this. So thank you for patient listening. Thank you very much.